Hydrostatics 2015, question 9b. A ship of mass 6,500 tons, where a ton is 1,000 kilos, is observed to sink a little bit more, 0.375 more, when loaded with m tons, 1,000 m for the weight of cargo. The cross-sectional area of the ship at the waterline is 1250, and the size of the ship near the waterline are vertical, and the density of seawater is 1030. Okay, we can get the extra submerged volume by multiplying the area, which is a meter squared, by another meter, 0.375, and that's going to give us 468.75 meters cubed. So the buoyancy then, the extra buoyancy is rho Vg, so the extra buoyancy is equal to 1030 by the 468.75 by G. So that's a big number, 400 by 1000, 812.5 G. So that buoyancy, that extra buoyancy will have to be equal to the weight, which is 1000 mg. So weight is going to be equal to 1000 mg. So 1000 mg is equal to that 482.812.5 G. So m is going to be equal to, well, that guy with the decimal moved 1, 2, 3 places, 482.8125. That will be in tons. Part 2 of this question asks, how far will the ship including cargo sink when passing from seawater to fresh water? So we got to resolve these forces, the buoyancy and the weight, which is equal to mg. So let's look at buoyancy in fresh water. Let's look at the fresh first. So we have 1000 by the volume, which is 1250, and we don't know how far down it's going, by G. And that's going to be equal to the weight, which was, what was the original? 6,500 tons. Add 482. We're going to get 6982. And it's going to be 0.8, but we could write that. We're going to add 6982. We're adding on 3 zeros, 812.5. The mass of, and we could, don't forget our G, the mass of the ship. So we can knock off our G's and we can leave our H there and divide by 6982.812.5 divided by 1000 by 1250, and that will give us, because that was a small number, we can write it in centimeters, just 5.58 centimeters. No, 5.58 centimeters. And then in seawater, my buoyancy is going to be, or my density is going to be 1030 by the volume times the height times G would be equal to the 6982.812.5 G. So if we leave the H there and divide that by 1030 by 1250, we are going to get 5.4, 0.054, 5.4 under the 2, 5.42 centimeters. So the difference between these numbers is 58 minus 42, which is an extra 16 centimeters, and that's what we were asked. How far will the ship sink? So it was at 42 and it went down to 5.58, so an extra 16 centimeters.